Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best omelet you've ever seen. So first you gotta have some eggs, of course. Alright, you can put whatever else you want in it as long as you have eggs. So I'm going to get started with olives. We had olives. There's some ham lunch meat, nothing but the best, and some turkey lunch meat. So to start off, grab as much oil as you can, sauce her in. Now you've got the oil, mix it around a bit. You put more oil, because the more oil the better, obviously. You're gonna start cutting out the lunch meat. 4 slices. You can pretty much put whatever you want in the omelet. Vegetables, meat, literally anything. Put it in, and eggs will go perfectly with it. 4 eggs. You gotta put 4 eggs in it if you want to put the right amount for this amount of meat. Alright, now we're gonna get cracking. So, I like to use this spatula instead of a flipper. Bring all the eggs into a little pile. Now, since the eggs have started cooking, grab your olives and just throw as many as you want on. A bit more. Alright. That should be good. Boom. That's pretty much how you do it. Now if you'll see, it's just sort of all mixed together. Some of you may not be saying this is an omelet, but this is how I make omelets. It's just as good as if the whole egg is together. But I'd say even a bit better because it's like scrambled eggs almost. Now once you see lots of the eggs starting to get light brown, or on like the parts that are hitting the pan, then your eggs are done. In my omelet I put some banana and cucumbers and snap peas with it. So it's always great to have some vegetables and fruits with it. You can put whatever you want with it, and of course the omelet is there. Always make sure you have water too, gotta stay hydrated, very important. Anyways, comment what you like in your omelet, and please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. You can also save the video if you want to make an omelet another time. Hello everyone, thanks for watching. Smash like if you like the video. Please subscribe, it'll help me out a lot. And so I'm going to be drinking half a liter of water every video. That's IRL, and not the gaming videos though. So I'm going to see how quickly I can do it after a little bit. I don't even know if that's a good time, but anyways, thanks for watching. Here's my channel, click that, and here's another video you can watch. Bye.